back to Newswatch 12 this morning. We're going to turn now to meteorologist Josh Colbreth. Josh, Saturday, I know you guys mentioned over the weekend it was going to be some good conditions to go out. Is that something we could expect today or, maybe even tomorrow?
Today, it's going to be all right. It's going to be seasonal. It's going to be mostly cloudy out there. And then after that, we're not going to have any weather that's going to be nearly as nice as that. For this morning, we're cold as we're in the 20s and 30s to the east of the Cascades, 20s and 30s also for west side valleys, in the middle 40s along the coast in Curry County. We're below freezing in Siskiyou County, Klamath County, and Lake County. In those areas, of course, you would want to break out the ice scraper. So for today in the Rogue Valley, if you want to take the little ones out to the playground, it's going to be an all right day to do that, as again, we'll have seasonal weather and, well, at the very least, we'll have seasonal temperatures in terms of the weather overall. It's going to be partly to mostly cloudy. In fact, I'm going to amend that on the fly. It's going to be mostly cloudy to overcast in some instances. So again, just kind of I'd assume a typical February day. Not the nicest, but not the worst. We'll have middle to upper 40s to the east of the Cascades, 50s for west side valleys, middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. Pretty light winds. And then for tonight, it'll be cold. The winds are still going to be light, but back to the temperatures as we'll be in the 20s to the east of the Cascades, 40s and 30s for west side valleys, and then low 40s along the coast in Curry County. So once again, you'll have to protect the outdoor pets, the plants, and the plumbing for Siskiyou County, Klamath County, and Lake County. Now let's show you the arrival of this next storm system tomorrow with Stormcast. This is midnight as we're transitioning into Tuesday, and then right around lunchtime is when we're going to see the arrival of this next storm system along the coast in Curry County and Del Norte County. And around 4 or 5 p.m. it's going to be pretty widespread along and west of the Cascades, but then into the middle to late evening, that's when it becomes more widespread to the east of the Cascades. And then this will continue into Wednesday and Thursday. We have medium impacts for Wednesday and Thursday. You see we have more wet weather that's going to continue after that. But let's focus on Wednesday and Thursday for a second. First of all, this is going to be a wet storm system, as we'll see some of the highest rainfall totals along the coast, but the highest snowfall totals are going to be in the Cascades. Snow levels are going to range between 4,500 to 5,500 feet. So we are expecting travel impacts on our Cascade passes. And here's a look at some of the preliminary snowfall totals we're expecting for Wednesday and Thursday. And of course, this is subject to change, but Crater Lake could get another foot and a half of snow. That's going to be good news for the snowpack. Definitely a lot less to the east of the Cascades and for our inland valleys. And I'm thinking, of course, like you see on the graphic there, but I'm thinking it's all just going to be rain in the Rogue Valley with snow levels between 4,500 to 5,500 feet. Okay, here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Dry for today, a chance of showers for Tuesday with the arrival of that next storm system, and then rain is looking much more likely starting on Wednesday and then beyond that. For Siskiyou County, dry for Monday and Tuesday, showers much more likely for Valentine's Day, a little bit drier for Thursday and Friday, but then more showers looking likely for Saturday. And then for the Basin, dry for Monday and Tuesday, showers also likely for Valentine's Day, and then we'll see a rain-snow mix possible for Thursday and Friday. Then for the Cascades, also dry for this Monday, a chance for rain and snow showers into Tuesday, and then snow much more likely for both Wednesday and Thursday. That's when we're expecting the travel impacts to likely peak up in the Cascades. Then for the Rogue Valley, also dry for today, transitional day for Tuesday, then much more active after that.